My whole life falls in line. I prayed for you.
Hello, Ginger family. Welcome to another toy review. This time, Zuru sent us Smashers.
Okay, so these are, there's 100 to over 100 to collect, and
you smash the ball and you collect them all. So you smash open the smash ball and you find a smasher hiding inside. Series 1 is Smash Sports, battle good versus bad sports in the Smashers game, and you squash them all. And there is a Smashers app, which this is before that it's been kind of released. You're supposed to kind of review them a while ago. And there's also something online called smashersworld.com.
there's 6 super rare, and limited edition they have 6 also. 12 of the bad sports, all stars,
8. Then there's 6 game changers, 6 team extreme, 6 smash gear, 6 not so fast food, and I think 7 hard hitters.
It basiced off of sports.
Yeah, sports theme right now.
And me and Walter really like sports. We go outside a lot, do all that stuff.
I know how these toys work.
Keep watching. So we moved.
So we
could have a hard surface to
smash
break
the
smashers. We're gonna take turns and do some together.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
I got one of the rare ones.
You did?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, what?
Smashers! Smashers!
I just had to. Alright, because we're not leaving these here. We're not throwing these pieces out either.
No.
No.
So this is mine. I got a scoreboard, a football hat, which we got duplicates of. We don't know what this is. I think it's a flipper.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
Here's another, it's a regular baseball cap. I think this is a whistle. Got a shoe. A bike, which Walter got an ultra rare of. The 2 in the back, the one on the left, which is a bike, or the right from your angle. The gray one on Walter is basically the gray one on Walter's, but his is evil. Mine isn't.
So these are my Smashers characters. Mine is, so now we're gonna rate it a 1 out of a 10. So what I would rate is 10.
We got 10 Smashers too.
I'd rate a 10 for the characters. I definitely rate a 10.
And you wanna know something that's funny? We each got 10 Smashers and we're going up from 1 to 10. Anyway, I like them. The fact that they're sports, but for Zuru, I think since I am in cheerleading, I think you should add cheerleader ones, like L for Lions and like 1 through 10, stuff like that. School. So I did a 8.5. Like I said, I'm in cheerleading. I think think it would be interesting if they had cheerleader ones. I like the fact that you did this with the leaderboard and stuff. But maybe you should make a certain one in certain packs. They should have like certain sections, like bikes with one, like this. Bikes with one in one pack and then food in the other. It would work that way.
But that takes a surprise out of it.
Yep. Yeah, it takes a surprise out of it. But you could get an ultra rare every once in a while. So you don't have to add an ultra rare in every one. But I still like the smashing thing. Anyway, so
It's kind of exciting to smash the ball.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, go ahead, Rush.
So I rated it an 8.5.
Go ahead, Walter.
Okay, what I would rate is a definite 10 because these are fun to smash, and the fact that they have sports, you don't know what kind of thing could be coming next. Like Zuru, I'm just giving you ideas now. You could add like kind of state themes, like United States, like states and other stuff. So then you could have like 50 or 51 smashers for like, I think there's 51 states, so you could have 51 of those. And then you could have like special holiday theme ones. You get certain times. You could also have like smashers sets for like big pieces, so you can collect sports stadiums. So you can like throw, say, like a basketball smasher that's like completely round and it's got like a little face, and you have to throw it in a hoop, tiny little plastic hoop. So that's why I like the smashers, because they're just fun to play with, because they're like tiny and they're like Shopkins.
And you've had
like, I'm not taking this offense if like anyone who likes Shopkins is watching this video. I think Shopkins are like bad, but this is definitely going to be more popular than Shopkins. Thank you, Zuru, for sending us these smashers. Smashers! We hope you enjoyed this video.
give this video a thumbs up.
Comment down below. And subscribe to become part of the Ginger family. Well, Chris, I think we broke it a little bit. I think we broke the like button. Because there's pieces now. Oh no.
Oh no!
We broke the like button. We broke the subscribe button.
Oh no!
That's great.
Thank you for watching. Thank you to Zuru.
Again. Please
once
send
again.
us more things. I'm not
We
saying this to be
love
greedy,
these toys.
but we love them. Whatever you send, we don't care.
Especially those fidget cubes.
We'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. No, but seriously, still need to fix it.
Every little thing